Hello, I saw your question about this two-way table. They select a survey of 10,030 randomly selected registered United States voters conducted in which the survey participants was asked what party affiliation they are. So you have gender here, you have females and males, then you have political affiliation, Democrats, Independents, and Republicans. So I only see part A here. In the contingency table showing the blank variable is gender. So gender here, and that's the row. The rows is the answer. The options are row and column, and so your rows are gender, and the blank is the political affiliation. Well, these are the political affiliation. Your choices again are row or columns, and they're columns. Hope this helps.